Good morning guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a vlog. It's currently 7:45 in the morning on Friday, February 19th, and I thought I would vlog today for you guys. It's a school day, but you guys know I only go to school halfway for the day and then I'm going to get my nails done. So I thought this would just be a fun vlog. I don't really vlog on my main channel all too much. I do a lot of vlogs on my vlog channel, so I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. So good morning. And so in my PJs, I just put some eyebrows and mascara on and I'm gonna get changed because it is freezing outside. It's 26 degrees, so that's quite cold, but I'm gonna put some clothes on. So the outfit of the day is a sweatsuit because what else would it be? Literally every single day I just put on a new pair of sweatpants and a sweatshirt and it's fine. My entire fit is actually from Walmart. I just realized that. These sweatpants are from Walmart, this crew neck is from Walmart, and then Bella and I ironed on these patches. We made a TikTok about it. It's a sparkly dinosaur, so I highly recommend. And this is so cute and so comfy. Walmart sweats are the move, y'all. Look at this. I'm looking comfy. I do look like a marshmallow because it is quite large, but that's okay. I also did spend like 10 minutes looking for my Vans because I keep all my shoes in my shoe rack right there, as you guys can see, and I couldn't find them, and then I realized they were in my gym bag because they're my lifting shoes. I found them. Now we're gonna make ourselves smell good. Best deodorant ever, Old Spice Pure Sport. I like the gel one because it doesn't show up as white powder on your clothes. You know what I'm talking about. When you put powder deodorant on, or like the white kind, it always gets on your clothes. This one doesn't. Of course, we know. Pink, fresh, and clean. Today I'll actually brush my hair. Normally it's a hit or miss if Katie decides to do that one. I went to sleep with my hair absolutely soaking wet last night, so for it being soaking wet, it's pretty dry in the morning and it's not as ugly as I thought it was gonna look. Alrighty folks, we are ready for the day. Time to pack my bag. I'm actually not running too late today. I feel like the vlog channel viewers know every single day I run late to school. Like, I'm not kidding, it's really bad. And Chase has been getting really on my butt about it, but the only thing I bring to school is my laptop. This is my MacBook and my keys, which have my AirPods in it. So that's what's in my backpack. Oh, and my water bottle. Let me make sure I have a pencil and a highlighter because I actually do have a math test today. Okay, we got options. I'm really scared about this math test because Katie does not know what's going on. Another random fact is I am trying to drink a gallon of water a day. This is my jug. This is my gallon. This is what I left off with yesterday, but the thing was I filled this up at 6 p.m. yesterday, so I feel like I did pretty good. Y'all, this thing is huge. Look at this in comparison to my head. When I fill this up, I bet it's like a solid 5 or 7 pounds. Like, I can curl this thing. I'm gonna go fill the rest up with water because I'm taking this to school because my goal is to drink a whole one today, and you guys are gonna hold me accountable. If you're asking the reason why, my chiropractor and the massage lady that I go to all told me that my back is too tight and that's a reason that is causing back pain, and by drinking more water it can help loosen it up, so I'm hoping that that does in fact work. I'm doing my happy yeah, because it's Friday. Yep. I'm vlogging. Sorry, I didn't know that. Warn me ahead of time, please. And now I drive to school. I take Chase to school every day, but we normally leave around 8. Normally it's 8:05, but we're actually running on time today. 7:59, that's really good for us. But every day on the way to school, I eat an Alani Nu protein bar. These are really, really good. I love Alani Nu. I take their pre-workout every day, but these keep me pretty satisfied throughout the day. They have a ton of protein, which is mostly my diet. So eat this, drink this, and head on over to school. I'm gonna put this baby back here because it's quite thick. And we're gonna listen to Lil Yachty and Trippie Redd's new song and blare the heat because it's freezing outside. Can you say hi to my vlog? Chase never wants to be in my videos, but we made it. I just put my mask on. We about to walk into the school now, and I'm actually gonna be on time for math class for once. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, quick presentation. It is Friday, and it's hard to do a lab when you have fire drills, and quite a lot of people that are kind of scrambling because Chef has to have his grades in for the 6-week period. Oh, you know what parfait is? What is parfait? Parfait!
It's yogurt and fruit and granola.
Yes. So,
This is the second one. Every time after second period, Jamie and I come to the bathroom, and one of us has tinkle time, and the other one just stands there. You wanna vlog while I wipe?
Hey guys, I think I got a concussion last night at cheer. That's how I'm doing. Hope you guys are having a better day than me.
Hey guys. Oh, let me pull up my pants.
I look like an amoeba.
Do you want to be my vlog?
Yes, I do.
You can talk to them.
Hey vlog.
We're in lit class. Guys, look at my magnifying glass. Okay, I'm going to my last class.
Why would I want something?
Alrighty folks, I'm out of La Escuela. Is that how you say it? My nail appointment is in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna head on over to the nail salon. This is the progress of my water. It is 12:05 right now, so that's just letting y'all know. I'm really excited to get my nails done, but it's frigid outside, so I'm gonna skirt on over there now. Pretty boring day at school. We had a fire drill, had a math test. That's pretty much the basics of it. Not all too much going on, but everybody's walking to their cars right now and it's so awkward. Let's go get our nails done. Here's the before. So ugly, so very ugly. Look who it is. You're back in the videos. Guys, we all missed Kate. She's been doing my nails for a few months now, but I just haven't been recording it. But here's the before. Really ugly because I broke them all. And they were Valentine's themed. They were super cute, but we're gonna fix them up now. I'm so excited. We're doing black and white, which is like my new favorite colors right now. Fix me.
Yeah, I will. I always do. Okay, you're done.
I'm done?
Yeah.
Thank you. Ready to leave.
Yeah, cute.
Back in the car and my nails are complete. They're literally everything that I wanted. I've done polka dot nails before, but never black and white polka dots, and I've been loving black and white recently, and I think black nails and white nails just look so sleek and so nice. But you guys know I can't do a plain color. That's just too boring for me. So I did polka dots, and it's black on this hand with pinky white and white on this hand with pinky black. Everybody always asks where I get nail inspo. Normally I just think of it myself, or if I see something that I like, I'll screenshot it and I'll send it to Kate, or we'll come up with something collectively. But normally I give her a rough idea and she just kind of runs with it, or I give her exactly what I want and she copies it. It's always a fun time together, but I am literally obsessed. They're so cute, and almond is like my new favorite shape. But my boss is texting me right now. I'm a gymnastics coach and my classes for the next session start next week, so we're trying to figure out the hours that I'm working, and I cannot do Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. Woo! But now I'm headed home. I thought one of my packages was gonna come in today, but because of weather delays, it's not, which kind of stinks, but it's okay. I'm praying for everybody that is in severe weather right now. So I haven't vlogged in a sec, but I went to pick Chase up from school. I did some homework and now I'm just watching some Netflix, but I need to ship out a few Poshmark packages, so I'm gonna go drop those in the mailbox and then check the mail, because I think I had a package come in, but it's 4:30 now. I'm gonna head on over to the gym no later than 6, I think. I think the girls are having a girls' night, so that means we're gonna go to one of our houses and just chill, watch movies, hang out, spill some tea. I'm feeling really sore though. It probably won't be as intense as the rest of the week. I literally trained my body so hard this week, every individual muscle group. Yesterday was back in Buys, which was a pool day, and I am so sore. Here's a bunch more Poshmark packages that I need to print the labels for. I have these 3 ready to go, so we're gonna go head on outside. Okay, so this was sent to me from Pursuit Clothing Company, and this is not sponsored, but they sent me a sweatshirt and I'm really excited about it. It's freezing outside and I love comfy clothes. I'm gonna stab myself. So the Instagram is at pursuitclothing.ny, and you can use code Caiti Mackenzie if you want to save some money. But here's the sweatshirt. So cute. It's just pink with this embroidered smiley face on it, and it says Pursuit. So thank you so much. Say hi to the vlog, Brian.
Hey vlog.
People always ask me if you're my dad because I call you Brian. Yes, that's my father.
Pursuit.
Pursuit. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know. Are you singing TikTok songs?
That's not a TikTok song.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
not you playing TikTok songs.
I can't understand a word he says, but I like the song, I think.
Ew! Are you wearing socks and sandals? That's so ugly. That was so ugly. Okay, well, I really don't want to go to the gym today because I am so incredibly sore. But if I take a day off, I know I'll be mad at myself. So I'm going to do it anyway. Also, I'm in love with my nails. Here's the progress on the water bottle, by the way, y'all. It doesn't look like I've drank that much, but like this thing is huge. It's giant. And I feel like I keep chugging it and making no difference. I've also peed like 4 trillion times today, and I already pee like every 10 minutes. Drinking a gallon of water a day makes me pee even more than I already do. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and I thought I'd show you guys the fit of the day. Clearly I'm in the mood to wear orange, so this is what we've got going on. This Nike sports bra is obviously from Nike. I got it from Dick's. Ew, look at my hair. I threw it up really ugly. I'm gonna fix it. I always put in a high pony, especially for leg day, which I think that's what I'm gonna do today. This is just a high impact sports bra from Nike, from Dick's. Then these leggings are from Amazon. Big bank, eh? Sorry guys, I just had to do it to you. But I'm gonna fix this hair, put some more deodorant on. I'm gonna be wearing my Vans. Like I said, these are typically my lifting shoes just because they're pretty dirty. I get so many questions about why I wear Vans or Converse at the gym. You always wanna wear flat shoes when you're lifting. You wanna have your foot as flat as possible because otherwise you're not gonna have good support and your foot's gonna be wobbly. And think about it, when you're lifting more than your body weight or twice than your body weight, if your foot is like cushioned and padded, you're not gonna be able to lift. So if you don't have any flat shoes such as Van or Converse, then I always take off my shoes. Sometimes I even do that if I choose to wear my Vans, I'll take them off. And then these are the shoes that I wear when I'm running and doing cardio. These are just NMDs by Adidas, so I always bring these and bring these just in case, because like I said, I'm going to be doing both today. Running in Vans is not fun. You wouldn't run in Vans and you wouldn't lift in NMDs. This is like a what's in my gym bag. I have my foam roller, which I'm going to roll out a little bit before I head out because my body hurts so bad. Don't know how many more times I'm going to complain about it. Here's my pre. I'm almost out of this one, but Alani New Breezeberry. If you guys follow my TikTok, you know how much I love this. And then I keep my booty bands. These are just resistance bands, good for leg day as well. I might use these today. And I also have some deodorant in here. I have, a tank top, just in case, a tampon, lots of random things. And I keep my AirPods and my keys and all that in there as well. Packing my bag, it normally stays packed. I just take out something if I need it. For instance, I will be rolling out right now, so I'm gonna roll out with this. The higher the pony, the closer to God. That's what my cheer coaches used to tell me. Now I'm just gonna pull out these baby pieces so I don't look like an egg. Gonna head out in a little bit and then I'll see how much I decide to vlog there. I don't really know. If there's people I know there, I will definitely not be vlogging because that makes me extremely uncomfortable. It's a public place, everyone's doing their own thing, and I don't think I would like it if I was being filmed without knowing if I was at the gym. So I'm out of the gym now. It's 7:30. That was an hour-and-a-half workout, which is normally what I do. Normally Friday nights I pick up food for my family just because I'm out. But this time I have to go pretty far the opposite direction to go pick up food. But I'll tell you guys kind of what my split was today. I started with a 5-minute sprint on the treadmill. Normally I do some type of warm-up walk, jog, run, sprint. It really just depends, but I did a sprint today. So I put the treadmill speed on 9. First I walked for the first 2 minutes and then sprinted the last 3, so that's how I warmed up. And then you guys saw I immediately went to the squat rack. I normally try to get to the squat rack as soon as possible because all the people try to take the squat rack, and if I want to do my legs and work my booty, then I need the squat rack. I'm sorry the lighting is so bad. I did 8 sets of 8 at the squat rack, which I know is a lot, but I really enjoy it, so it's not a problem for me. My camera is being so dumb because I'm using my G7X, but I started off with 95 pounds and then did 115 and then 135 and then did I get to 155? I think I did. My squat PR right now is 175, but like I said, I'm working on form and rep, not as much heavy weight right now. So I did lots of reps of lighter weight. After that, I went to the free weight, which I think I recorded a good amount of, and I did Bulgarian split squats, lunges, hip thrusts, all that kind of stuff with my bands, without my bands, with 20-pound weights, with 35-pound weight, with 45-pound weight. I really just kind of manipulate it for whatever I'm feeling. Why is the lighting so bad? I basically just do as many reps as possible in supersets for that. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm so sorry. I can definitely do a more in-depth video if you're interested. I just feel like not a lot of people on my channel care about like the gym, and it's something I'm very passionate about. So I'm sharing if you're interested. If not, it's totally okay. After the free weight, which I showed you guys, I moved on to go back to the treadmill for a cool down, and I did 10 minutes of a walk, run, and sprint. Walk and run at an incline and sprint at 0.5 incline. So yeah, that was my workout of the day. It was really good. Very excited about it. Got that good pump in. The girls were supposed to hang out, but a few of us can't, and I really don't feel too up to it right now. I'm not gonna force myself to be in a social situation if I'm not feeling it, you know? And that's okay. I haven't been feeling it too much recently. I hope this segment of me driving in my car and talking about workouts was not too boring for you guys. I'm so sorry. That just took forever. I got the pizza. I got myself a sub from Publix because pizza is a little unhealthy for me and I don't really want to eat that right now. I am now headed home. I got all the goods that I needed and now we're going home. Finally! Oh my goodness. It's 8:10 now.